Shutterbugs and aspiring photographers, welcome back to I Know Gadgets. Today, we're delving into the world of visual storytelling as we unveil the top 5 cameras for beginners in 2024. The links to these imaging marvels await you in the description and the first comment. Let's capture those moments in style. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the VETEK digital cameras for photography. 4K video and 48MP. Photo resolution. Unleash your creativity with high-definition video and photo capabilities. Wide-angle lens and macro lens. A professional detachable 52mm wide-angle lens with a macro lens captures wide horizons and the tiny world. PC camera and HDMI. Output. Connect to your PC for file transfer or use it as a webcam. HDMI function for direct connection to HDTV. An excellent pause. Function allows you to continue recording in the same file without restarting. Best choice for beginners. Compact design, 16x, digital zoom, and a host of features make it the ideal gift for beginners. Immerse yourself in the VETEK camera experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are just a click away in the description. Claiming the 4th spot is the Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with 18-55mm lens, 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, captures stunning images with a wide ISO range of 100x400, built-in Wi-Fi and NFC technology. Seamlessly share your moments and control your camera remotely. 9-point AF system and AI servo AF. Achieve sharp focus with ease. Optical viewfinder. Frame your shots with a viewfinder that covers approximately 95%. EOS utility webcam beta software. Turn your Canon camera into a high-quality webcam. Immerse yourself in the EOS Rebel T7 experience. Exclusive insights and in-depth reviews await in the description. Securing the 3rd spot is the Canon EOS R100 RFS 18-45mm f4.5 6.3 is STM lens kit. Compact and lightweight, the smallest and lightest camera body in the EOS R series, built for excellent mobility. 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and Digic 8. Processor, high image quality and advanced processing capabilities. Dual pixel CMOS AF. Covering a wide area with auto subject detection and eye detection AF. Continuous shooting. Capture up to 6.5 shots per second with one-shot AF. Immerse yourself in the EOS R100 experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews are just a click away in the description. Securing the 2nd position is the Sony Alpha A6100 mirrorless camera with 16-50mm and 55-210mm zoom lenses. World's fastest AF, 0.02 seconds with real-time AF and object tracking. Wide AF coverage, 425 phase 425 contrast detection. AF points over 84% of the sensor. 24-tom Pepsi Exmor sensor. Outstanding image quality with ISO up to 51 or 200. Real-time AF tracking. Capture real-time IAF for human and animal subjects. 3. Touchscreen LCD, 180-degree tiltable for flexible shooting. Immerse yourself in the Alpha A6100 experience. Exclusive insights and in-depth reviews are just a click away in the description. Securing the coveted 1st place is the Fujifilm X100V digital camera. New 23mm2 lens, designed for quality and speed, ensuring maximum resolution with minimal distortion. X-Trans CMOS 4, sensor and X-Processor 4, state-of-the-art technology for exceptional image quality and processing speed. Advanced hybrid viewfinder. Switch between optical and electronic viewfinders for an immersive experience. Tilting LCD touchscreen. A two-way. Tilting LCD touchscreen for quick, intuitive controls. 4K video at 30 FPS. Explore a new world of image making with stunning 4K video and full HD 120p for slow-motion footage. Immerse yourself in the X100V experience. Exclusive insights and detailed reviews await in the description. And there you have it, aspiring photographers. The top 5 cameras for beginners in 2024, each a gateway to your visual storytelling journey. Links to these visual marvels are in the description, so grab yours now and start capturing those unforgettable moments. Like, share, and subscribe to I Know Gadgets for more thrilling tech revelations. Until next time, may your frames be perfect, your focus be sharp, and your photography journey nothing short of extraordinary.